Late submission pero try natin tong pistachio choco from Dunkin'. This time Philippine version yung ito try natin. And this is 120 pesos. Naalala ko before nung na-release to, sobrang hirap humanap ng branch na meron. Pero I think ngayon nagkalat na talaga siya. Comparing dun sa Dubai version, mas marami yung feeling nito. As you can see naman, talagang marami yung feeling niya. Hot take, pero I think this is better than the Dubai version. Mas nalasahan ko yung pistachio dito, plus sweeter to than the version ng Dubai. Also, mas marami din yung real pistachios. Pero ito walang crunch, yung pinaka-spread niya, or I mean yung pinaka-filling niya. Iyon lang siguro yung edge nung sa Dubai version. And by the way, this is a part of ranking every Dunkin'. And ito na yung current ranking natin sa lahat ng na-try ko. I-comment nyo na what's next, yun lang, TY.